Hey guys, I'm Alex Ong from Mr. Tex, and you are now watching the unboxing of the Sharp Aquos S2. In the box, you will find the Sharp Aquos S2, some literature that you would not read, warranty card, did not see this for a long time, clear case, charger, USB-C cable, and USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack converter. The included charger only supports 5V 2A charging, while Sharp Aquos S2 support Quick Charge 3.0. Let's take the phone out. This phone is very light and compact. This is the plastic bag Snapdragon 630 version, currently the only version that is selling in Malaysia. Currently there are no news regarding that Sharp Mobile Malaysia will bring in the Snapdragon 660 version with glass back. At the front, you will find the 5.5-inch 1080p freeform LCD display. All the necessary sensors are crammed into the small space above the front-facing camera. You will find the fingerprint sensor at the bottom of the screen. At the back, you will find the dual camera and the flash. At the bottom, you will find the single speaker on the right of the USB-C port. At the right, you will find the volume button and power button. At the left, you will find the SIM and microSD card slot. You will not find anything on top of the phone. Sharp Aquos S2 is running on Android 7.1.1 Nougat with Smile UX on top. Smile UX is a deeply customized UI with no app drawer. Sharp Aquos S2 also followed the trend of removing the headphone jack, and Sharp Mobile did not include USB-C earphone. You will need to use the USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack converter if you want to enjoy your music through headphone. Sharp Aquos S2 dual camera uses the combination of f1.75 12MP with 8MP camera. Let's look at some samples that I took. That is all for this unboxing and first impression video. Remember to subscribe for the review of the Sharp Aquos S2. Thank you for watching. If you like this kind of video, remember to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Mr. Tech YouTube channel.